Book of Heaven, Volume 12, August 19th, 1918. Jesus is tired of the vile deeds of priests. As I was in my usual state, my always lovable Jesus made himself seen in my interior as though within a circle of light. And looking at me, he told me,
"Let's see, what good have we done today?"
And he looked and looked. I believe that circle of light was his most holy will, and that since I had united myself to his most holy will, this is why he was saying so. And he added,
"Anyway, I am tired of the vile deeds of priests. I can take no more. I would want to have done with it. Oh, how many devastated souls, how many of them disfigured, how many idolatrized. To use holy things in order to offend me, this is my most bitter pain. It is the most execrable sin. It is the mark of the total ruin, which draws the greatest maledictions and breaks any communication between heaven and earth. I would want to eradicate these beings from the earth. Therefore, chastisements will continue and will multiply. Death will devastate the cities. Many houses and roads will disappear. There will be no one to live in them. Mourning, desolation will reign everywhere."
I prayed him and prayed him again, and having remained with me for a good part of the night, he was so much in suffering that I felt my heart break for the pain. But I hope that my Jesus will placate himself. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.